Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Blueberries are very easy to grow, particularly when you choose good strong plants like these. They've got white flowers in spring, they've got lovely red leaves in autumn, and that bonus of delicious fruit. They're really ornamental as well, so you don't have to be hidden at the back of a vegetable or fruit area. You can grow them in your ornamental beds and in pots and containers. They look very well, lovely healthy foliage, red in the autumn and those white flowers in spring. There's a variety called Darrow and can be planted from now. You can grow it in a pot or container, planting it completely in swell compost, or out in open ground. Dig a hole twice the depth of the pot, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same back in around, and then feed regularly with our high iron feed formula. We'll send some of that out to you when we're sending out blueberries, and you put a small amount around them every 4 to 6 weeks to keep them in good condition. But heavy crops, this one will produce some fruit this year, great big strong stems and just budding up nicely now. So that's a blueberry called Darrow, can be planted from now. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.